All
Happy
right.
Sunday, everybody. What is going on? Glenn and Reed here. We're going to be doing our weekly watch list, prepping you guys for the week coming ahead, going over what to expect, what opportunities are out there. With that being said, let me jump on my watch list. I just had a USD Swiss. Oh my gosh, look at this. This move we missed. Straight up, guys. Straight up. My goodness, that's a beautiful trend. All right. S&P 500, let's look at that. Friday's action, more of a bull momentum day. We closed higher than the previous 3 days, so it's still not a significant kind of move for me where it switch the tides are turning, where the bulls are going to take over. What I do want to see is that what I do want to see is another test of 3911, 3900, and that'll tell me a few things. If we um, touch that and we bounce off of it, then the momentum for the bears are starting to wear down. You just want to look at previous price action of this particular market, and you're going to see those things. You're going to see like a double bottom or a retest of that level, the previous low, and you want to see how price reacts. So right now, I'm just more watching. If I was aggressive, this would be an opportunity to go short because this is a nice pullback, and then you just want to anticipate that. But we shall see. I mean, I'm right now. I'm still on the sidelines. I'm not being aggressive as far as taking an immediate position. So I just want to see how price reacts. Gold. Let's look at this. Gold is making a nice move on the downside. The momentum starting to build up. It looks like so. Definitely look for another entry to go short. Let's see the Nasdaq. Similar price action. So right now, I was just tracking this as a um, follow along fake trade. Right now, the move would be at a 3 ATR move short. So that's a good indication of strength, like I said. But we had the strong pullback on Friday. Um, you know, right now, if you're just following the trend, that doesn't mean anything. So what you can do, maybe you close out your first positions, let ride the rest of the trend because the trend is still there. Forex side, a lot of it's pullback right now. Same. It's pretty interesting how all the markets, indices, forex, they had a similar price action, and so meaning they had like a pullback. Price was going one way, and then we had immediate pullback. So, what is the one I was looking at? Euro Kiwi. So I was looking at this for a few days now, for a few weeks. It's like a swing entry. Price was moving up nicely. Now we pulled back. So two things. This I would probably just exit the position and then let this price action play out because this is a kind of a we had a double test of this high and then we failed to go break above it. So that indication right there is telling me okay, maybe the strength in the bulls kind of slowing down. Other than that, well, we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin closed at 29,800. This is the future side. Um, I'm anticipating it to continue. Maybe go sideways. It won't. I don't think it'll be immediate bounce back up. I don't know. It's just shaky territory right now. So, that's that. But my watch list isn't too much. I'm just looking at the indices, looking at one or two pairs on the forex side, and then yeah, dude, pass it on to you.
Right on, right on. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. I'll start off with dollar yen. I placed this entry order here, didn't get triggered in, continued up. I'm still looking for shorts here as a double top reversal on the daily, but I am aware that I got to keep in mind that this isn't a bullet trend here. So I don't want to. It'll be a counter trend trade if I do that. So a reversal in my journaling. So I'm looking at dollar yen short, dollar Swiss, similar play, another short. This looks more opportunistic for me. I like how it's breaking below the EMAs, strong bearish momentum here on the 4 hour, strong close at the end of the week. But again, I just need to see a little bit more development and more confirmation in the way of volume coming in with the bear momentum. Moving on to Kiwi CAD. Kiwi CAD is a position that I'm actually live in, and as far as all these positions that you just saw, like on what was it, dollar yen, I'm actually only risking 0.25%. I usually risk on average 1% per trade, and actually like 99% of the time I do. And so just because like the market's been really wonky lately and choppy, I'm just sell off. I missed a lot of these trend moves. I just testing it out with a 0.25% risk right now, and then once the market starts coming into my favor, then I'll begin to increase that risk. So yeah, this is a live trade that's running on KiwiCAD short. We'll see what happens, and that's only a 0.25% risk. Last one on the watch is Euro USD. It'll be a continuation play for a short. I did have an original entry just here below the support line. So it looked similar to this right here, but I didn't place it live just because I wasn't at the charts and I didn't have the right frame of mind to actually place that trade. So I was staying off the charts deliberately, but it did move nicely. As far as this, I telling Glenn, like it was literally 3 pips that I didn't get taken in on this trade. So that's why I really appreciate and go with entry orders, because I don't want to enter market out of greed and then, or FOMO, and then just be running in a loss or risk that full loss. So not in this one, but still looking at a continuation short, something along these lines here is how my entry would play out. Last, I will look at, actually, you know what? Last week I went short US 30. It's my first time I've ever went short on the US 30. This is with the my forex fund evaluation accounts. So I actually got taken out just under break even, or for a small loss, very, very small loss, like 0.002% kind of loss. So it was pretty much break even. But yep, so that was cool. It was a neat experience. Risk very little on this one, and we'll see how it plays out. As far as crypto goes, let's take a look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is this could be a potential bull play here, a bull run. It is creating higher highs for my strategy, but I like to see the 4-hour close above the 50 EMA. I really like on the daily, I like this low test reversal candle. And it is around a key level, $30,000. So we'll see what happens here. Again, I'm not like looking to jump into any trades real fast. Again, only live in one trade right now. So yeah, that's all I got, man.
Sweet, sweet. Tuesday, we're on the 17th. We got Powell speaking, so we shall see. I don't know what the speech is going to be about, but something to be aware of for the volatility. Other than that, Topic Tuesday, guys. Tune in. It's going to be a good one. Part 2 of Treat Trading Like a Business. We're going to be talking about that. And hopefully we're going to see you guys there at 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. And we'll see you guys there. Look out for the email. We're going to put the pairs on what we're watching for the watch list. But other than that, have a great Sunday, guys. Have a great start of your week.
Aloha.